Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you on how to change the music of an Instagram post. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and sign in if you are not already logged in. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. From here, scroll through your posts and select the one where you want to change the music. Tap on the post to open it. In the top right corner you will see three dots. Tap on them to open the menu. From the options, choose Edit. This will take you to the editing screen. Here you can edit your caption, change the location, or update the alt text. You may also be able to change or add tags. However, you will notice that there is no option to edit or replace the music. Instagram does not currently allow you to change the audio once a post has been published. So if you added the wrong song or if you simply want to use a different track, there is no direct way to swap it out in the edit section. The only solution is to delete the post and upload it again with the music you prefer. This way your post will have the correct music, even though Instagram does not allow changing it after publishing. Thanks for watching.